Hello, this is Eric with overcodedesign.com, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your blog post. So what we've got set up now is a blog post that we just typed. We've got our title up here. We've also got our content down here, and we're ready to go, but I want to add a photo to this blog post. So I'm going to click over to the top left because this is where I want my photo to go. Okay? And you can see my cursor's blinking. That's the insertion point of where the photo is going to be inserted. And now I'm going to add image icon right here. Okay. I'm going to select a file from my hard drive, and just a brief note is that be careful on using images that you get from the internet. Just because it's out there on the web doesn't mean that it's not copyrighted. So if you're using something without permission or authorization, you could be violating a copyright law. A lot of people assume that if you go to images, if it's out at Google Images, it's a public domain, but that's not the case. So I'm going to select a file, and this brings up, I've got some photos in a directory in a file called blog images. But you can drill down and find where you have your photos. A lot of times it'll be in my photos of the My Documents folder and things of that nature. And I'm just going to click this this image right here. It says Bama map. Click OK. And it shows me a thumbnail of what my image is going to look like. It shows me my size. It shows me the upload date, which is today. And this other information is not real important right now. That's just going to be going on behind the scenes of the photo. But down at the bottom, you've got two options. You got alignment and you got size, and those are important. First of all, I do want the alignment to be left, so I'm going to make sure that's selected. And I want the image to be medium. This is the actual full size of the image, and these dimensions are in pixels, and you'll get a better feel for how large a pixel is when you do this a little bit more. For example, this little image up here, that's about 150 by 150, and that's called a thumbnail. So our image is going to be bigger than that, but not a lot bigger. It's going to be, not quite twice as large as that. We're going to click Use this featured image, and what that does is there are ways that you can set up your website to where you'll have, sometimes instead of a full post, you'll have an excerpt of a post, and there'll be a link that says click here to read more. Well, featured image means that if you do have that excerpt, that a thumbnail of that image will show in that excerpt for people to take a look at. So it probably won't come into play here, but I went ahead and selected it. Now the big thing is to go ahead and do Insert Post, and we can take a preview, see how it looks. And there it is. Sometimes the wrapping of the text around the post in WordPress gets a little convoluted and it looks a little odd, but this is one that worked out okay, and you've got your blog post there ready to go with an image. And so when you go back, you can just click Update, and you're good to go. Your image is uploaded to your post, and you're ready to go. And this is what your post will look like. So that's how you add an image to a blog post. Real easy. Have fun with it.